back your shoulder. Both the hands hold on your thighs and knee. Just slightly close your eyes, everyone. Actually, close your eyes. Lengthen your spine. Keep straight your back. Neck also straight. Deep inhale, long exhale. Deep inhale, long exhale. Should be disconnect yourself to all around you. Fully connect to yourself and fully utilize the coming 50 minutes. This is your time. And do your 100% each and every steps. Charge your body, relax your body, and calm your mind. Forget your all the responsibility. Forget your all the duties only for coming 50 minutes. This is your time. Now, before starting the session, just should be connect to your inner self. So we chant 3 times deep, long Om. Everyone, we chant with me. Chale, both the hands in the Dhyana Mudra. Deep inhale, long exhale, relax your body. Now just rub both the hands. When you feel warmth touch on your face, your neck, shoulder, and full body. Right. Just roll back your shoulder. And everyone, please switch on your camera. I'm not allowed to switch off your camera. Megha ji, everyone switch on your camera. Yes, Gagan, breathe. Chale, switch on your camera and full focus on your practice. Priya, 1111, yes. Angels numbers are showing your face. Chale, first start the micro practice, everyone. Both the arms keep straight and finger touch on your mat. Finger touch on your mat. Hold your neck from your left hand and neck down towards the right shoulder. Go slowly down, down, down. Gentle stretch. Yes. Go side change. Go slowly, side change. Very good. One more time, side change. Switch on your camera, everyone. Chale, go, go. Gentle stretch for your neck, side neck. And go side change. One more time. Very good. Slowly. Full stretch down. One more time. Go slow. Very good. Slowly. Neck forward down. Inhale up. Neck up. Back straight only. Neck up. Slowly exhale. Neck forward down. Inhale. Neck up. Full stretch up. When your neck up, full stretch, feel on your stretched neck and also involve your collarbone back. Yes, neck up, up. And exhale, neck forward down. Should be chin touch on your throat. Mehak, look at me. This is the second practice. Now use this type of done. Slowly neck forward down. Inhale up. Exhale forward down. One more time. When your neck forward down, full stretch feel on your spine, especially bottom of your spine. Very good. Go slowly. Inhale up. One more time. And exhale forward down. Hold your chin on your right shoulder. Half rotation from the front side, right shoulder to left. 1, 2, 3, Left to right and right to left. From the front side. Yes, Megha ji, full focus on your practice. Very good. 4, 5, 6, and slightly back bend your neck. Half rotation from the back side. Chali, go slowly. Yes, be loyal to your practice, everyone. Lakshmi ji, keep switch on your camera, and Veena, Suhana. Otherwise, I will send you the video link and you can do the video link from YouTube. आप YouTube से कर सकते हैं ऐसे तो. Very good, everyone. Full left to right, right to left. Go slowly, neck forward down, neck forward down. Just inhale and exhale. Relax your neck, everyone. चलिए. Now to do the gentle flow. तो सभी लोग खड़े हो जाएंगे. Just stand up on your mat. आप सभी बेड पे आ जाएं. Just stand up. Very good. Right. Just maintain the gap between the both leg equal to your shoulder. Very good. Now slowly deep inhale and both the hands up. Lock your finger. Full stretch up your body. Full Tadasana. Full stretch. Yes, full engage your body. And slowly heels up. Make a balance on your toes. Heels up. And slightly walk on your mat towards the front side. Yes, go front. And slightly back side. Very good. One more time. Slowly front side. Yes, heels up. Make a balance on your toes. Yes, Natasha ji, keep do it, keep do it. Walk front side. Walk towards the back side. Very good. Just stand mid of the mat. Arm mid of the mat eye. Very good. Slightly heels down. Heels down. Hands stretch up. ऊपर रखें. Yes, maintain the flow. And slowly heels down. Toes up. Yes, everyone. Heels down. Toes up. चलिए, walk on your mat. One more time. Very good. Heels down, heels down, toes up. Yes, good, Khushbu. Yes, good it. Yes, Mahek ji. Yes, Sonali. Upper hands keep straight. Uma ji, lock your fingers. Lock your finger. Yes, Megha ji, stretch up. Be loyal to your practice, everyone. Yes, Aarti, good. Jyoti, Brahmada, very nice. Chaliye, slowly, hands release. Both the hand keep straight in the side. Chaliye, slightly gap between the both leg and right hand up. Full stretch, side bend. 2, 3, very good. Full energy के साथ keep smiling your face. 3 or down, yes, Khushbu. 4, 5, full down, down. Yes, Monalisha, keep it. Monalisha, नहीं Monali. 4, 5, 6, 7, go down. 8, 9, full down, down. Yes, upper limbs keep straight. 10, 11, 12, good everyone. 13, 14, yes, Sakshi. 15, 16, only 20 count. 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good, good, good. Samsung. Not. Challenge 1. Just slightly relax, walk on your mat. Now maintain the gap between the both leg equal to your shoulder slightly and आप करेंगे squats. 3 sets, only 10 tens. चलिए. Both the hand keep straight in the front side. Go slowly down. Knee also straight toward the front side. Don't be knee. Left side, right side नहीं जाना चाहिए. Knee की फिर से front side. Went down, up. Very good. Side से 1. Back straight. 2, 3. Very good, everyone. 4, 5. Good. 6. नो डाउन ऐसे नहीं करना है. बैक को स्ट्रेट रखें. वेरी गुड. 7. Normally sit in the chair. Sit in the chair. 7, 8, 9, 10. Natasha ji, it is good. It's also good, but should be it is the good. It should be focus ki align your both the knees. Okay, both the knee towards the front side. It's not. It's the wrong side. ऐसे जा रहे हैं आपके, तो आपको जाने चाहिए फ्रंट डाउन. चलिए वन स्लाइड वॉक ऑन योर मैट विद द फुल एनर्जी. चलिए वॉक कीजिए मैट पे. वन राउंड वॉक. गुड गुड. वेरी गुड. हाँ अभी ठीक है नताशा. गुड. चलिए वन मोर राउंड. I zero one more round. Both hand keep straight in the front side. Maintain the gap. चलिए only 10 counts with the full energy down. 1, 2. Very good. Keep smile your face. Very good everyone. 3. Be loyal to your practice. 4, 5, 6. Yes, Aarti. 7, 8, 9. Last 10. Yes, Jyoti ji, maintain the flow. 10. Just relax. Walk on your mat, everyone. Walk on your mat. Now the next practice is inhale, both hands keep straight up. Alternative toe touch. And when you touch your toes and hands, squeeze your tummy, everyone. Okay? So 1, stretch. 2, squeeze your tummy with the full energy. Chale. Today is the whole body practice. 3, knee straight. Should we try knee straight, everyone? 4. Yes, I'm saying be loyal. Yes, upper hand. Both hand keep straight up, side, up. What's your name? Black shirt. Yes, yes. Full energy. Keep up, both hands up. Yes, everyone. 6, 6. Keep it start. Yes. Jitna body alive. Listen your body and do your 100%. 6, 7. Yes, yes. Only 10 counts. 8. Mega Ji, keep do it. 9, 10. Very good. Just relax, everyone. Walk on your mat. Good, Natasha. Good, everyone. Just walk on your mat. Now one more round. 15 counts. Both hand keep straight up. Alternative toe touch and should be knee and elbow straight. 1, 2, and squeeze your tummy. When you touch your toes, squeeze your tummy. Yes, everyone. Yes, burn your calories. Go, 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 go. Yes, Samson, go. 2, 3, 4. Anastasia ji, both the hand keep straight upside, up, ऊपर hold रखें, and then alternative toe touch. Natasha ji, alternate, yes. 5. Good everyone, go, go, go. 5. Maintain the flow. Both hand keep straight up. 6. Priyambada ji, कहाँ चले गए? 7, 8, 9. Keep go. 10, 11, 12. Only 15 counts. Yes, yes. 13, 14, 15. Yes, chaliye relax and walk on your mat. Chaliye everyone. Now today Monday energy will be start with the sun salutation. Okay. So just yes, stand top of the mat. Top of the mat and yes, top of the mat. Back mat keep free everyone. Okay. Back side mat will be free. Today practice is the Surya Namaskar. Sun salutation. Both the hands hold on your thighs. Roll back your shoulder. Keep straight your body. Just stand top of your mat. Very good. Be loyal to yourself. Relax your body. Calm your mind. Promise yourself कि yes, do your 100%. चलिए. Slowly inhale, both hands up and grab all the energy and the prayer pose. Prayer pose. First is the prayer pose. And inhale, both hands up. Hasta Tanasana, pure arms up and arc your body, full back bend. Pull back, unlock your fingers. Natasha ji, unlock your fingers. Pull down, pull up, and slowly exhale, forward down. Yes, everyone, forward down. Should be hands touch on your knee. Hasvita Padanasan, hands touch on your knee. And put down, 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 and one hold this position. Very good. Slowly right leg back. Very good. Bend your front knee and chest up. Asya Sanchalan. Keep hold, back leg, keep it straight. Okay, today I think your first day. Which one is your first day? Then look at me up. एक बार observe करिए. Now left leg back and full mountain pose. Just hold the mountain pose and plank pose. Yes. Plank pose. Slowly hip knee down, chest and chin down. Ashtanga Chaturanga and flat your toes, chest up, cobra pose. Pull up, everyone. Yes, cobra pose. Join both the feet, back side, full stretch. Tuck your toes, knee up, hip up, make a mountain pose. Full mountain pose. Very good. Hold full mountain. Left leg forward between the both head. Left leg forward. Asya Sanchalan, chest up. Now right leg forward, chest down. Pull down, 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 chest. Go slowly, inhale up and full back bend. Go slowly, exhale, forward down. Forward down, everyone. This is the one round complete. Very good. Forward down. Should be, yes, touch your feet, touch your feet. Slightly bend your knee and both the palms hold on your mat. Slightly knee bend कीजिए and both the palms hold on your mat. Left leg back. Asya Sanchalan, chest up. Very good. Right leg back. Make a mountain pose, full mountain pose. Very good, everyone. Umaji, full mountain pose. Yes, front leg back. And make a plank pose slightly. Knee down, chest and chin down. Good. Knee down, chest and chin down. Good. Chest up, cobra pose. Yes, Umaji. Chest up, cobra pose. Chest up. Knee down, knee straight, knee straight. Lay down on your mat, Umaji. Cobra pose. This is the cobra pose. Hold everyone the cobra pose. Umaji, look at me. This is the cobra pose. Very good. And full mountain pose. Tuck your toes, knee up, hip up. Make a mountain pose. Very good. Full mountain pose. Just hold. Yes. Right leg forward between the both hand. Very good. Asya Sanchalan, chest up. Now back leg forward. Back leg forward. Very good. Knee straight, knee chest down. Inhale, both hands up and full back bend. Pull back, everyone. Yes. Slowly exhale, forward down. Now right leg back, one more time. Chest up. Very good. Hip down, hip down. Now front leg back. Make a mountain pose. Yes, keep do it, keep do it. Make a mountain pose, full stretch, plank pose. Knee down, chest and chin down. Very good. Chest up, cobra pose. Yes, listen your body and just cobra pose, Natasha. Full mountain pose. Yes, hold the mountain pose. Keep hold. Now one more time, knee down, chest and chin down. Yes, Jyoti, Aarti, very good. Good efforts. Yes, Premvadaji. Yes, Umaji, keep doing. Chest up, cobra pose. Very good. Join both the feet behind Aarti ji. Join both the feet. Dono leg, join both the leg. Back side. Tuck your toes, knee up, hip up, make a mountain pose. Yes, Mehak, make a mountain pose. This is the last round. Very good. Just knee down and relax in the child pose. Full mountain pose and down knee and relax in the child pose. Natasha ji, gap between the both knee. Yes, maintain the gap and chest towards the front side. Yes. Relax, deep inhale, long exhale. Deep inhale, long exhale. Just normal your breath. चलिए everyone, lie down on your mat with the savasana. सभी लोग savasana में लेट जाएं. Lie down on the savasana. Lie down on the savasana, everyone. Very good. Full focus on your bed. Yes, Jyoti ji, slightly down your camera. Focus on your body. Everyone. Yes, Monalisha, you Monali also down your camera. Where are the Megha ji? Sakshi. Sakshi, you also down your camera. Yes, focus on your mat. चलिए ऊपर. Now deep inhale, long exhale. Now slowly both the leg raise up. दोनों हाथ पैरों को both the hands hold just side of your hip and both arms keep straight both legs. Slightly up and knee straight. Just cross your both the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, toes out facing, knee straight. चलिए cross the both leg. 1, 2. Only 10 counts. 3. Yes, as we continue everyone. 10 counts. 4, 5, 6, 7. Knee straight. 8, 9, 10. Just relax. Very good, everyone. Just appreciate yourself. Good efforts. Deep inhale, long exhale. Now one more round. Should be full prepared to yourself for the second round. Chali, both the leg raise up and also knee straight. Tight your core. Chali, cross your leg. 1. Very good, everyone. Toes outer facing. 2. Knee straight, knee straight. 3, 4. Yes, Sakshi. 5, 6. Umaji, good. 7, 8, 9, 10. Just relax. Umaji, show me your lower body, and Monali, show me your lower body. Just focus on your camera for your lower body. Sakshi and Suhana and Sensing. Yes, Umaji, good, good. Just relax, everyone. चलिए last step, last but not the least, one more time. चलिए both the leg keep raise up. Very good, Aarti ji. Good effort. Yes, Jyoti. चलिए cross. 1. Good, everyone. Be loyal to your practice. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, Meghaji, keep do it. 9, 10. Just relax. Good. Relax. Deep inhale, long exhale. So now the next practice is, look at me everyone, next practice. Lower body keep straight, both the arms above your head and arms keep straight, okay? Slowly bend your right leg, okay? And just cross both the hands in between your right knee. One, and just straight. Two, and leg change. Three, leg change. Four, and when you cross the knees, just squeeze your tummy, okay? Lower tummy especially. And just cross it. Be loyal to yourself. Three, four. Yes, and also chest bring towards the knee with the full energy. Yes, everyone. Three, four. Good. Five. Good, Kushbu. Six. Keep a smile your face. Seven, eight, nine, 10. Very good. Just relax. Deep inhale, long exhale. Good efforts, everyone. Deep inhale, long exhale. Yes, Anam, switch on your camera. Megha. Very good. Just deep inhale, long exhale, and should be full prepared to yourself for the second round. Chal. Be active. Good, Jyoti ji. Good. Keep a smile your face. Now, everyone, keep start. One, two, three, four. Yes, Megha ji, keep do it. Four, five, six, seven. Good, everyone. Good efforts, everyone. Eight, nine, 10. Very good. Just relax. Deep inhale, long exhale. Uma ji, switch on your camera. Till now, last but not the least, one more time with the full energy. And Monalisha, slightly bend your knee. Okay, when your leg bend towards the front side, slightly bend your knee. Chale, keep start everyone. One, yes, two, good. Three, four, five, six. Yes, Premadaji, good effort. Seven. Wow, Khushbu, good energy. Yes, eight, nine, 10. Very good, everybody. Just relax. And next is the brisk pose. Relax your body firstly. Deep inhale, long exhale. And also keep a smile your face, everyone. Enjoy the session. Then look at me. The next practice is brisk pose. Same hand. Both the hands keep straight, both the leg. Deep inhale, long exhale. Bend your both knee. Hold your both the heels. Yes. Hands touch your heels and slowly inhale. Hip up and down. One, two, down. Okay, everyone. चलिए full up. Hip को in करेंगे, abdomen को up करेंगे. Now keep start. चलिए. Back take a position. One, down. Two, down. Three, up, down. Four, up. ये साक्षी हिप अप और अपलिफ्ट कीजिए. Down, up, 5, good, down, 6, down, 7, down, 8, down, 9, down, and hold a few seconds. 10, up, everyone, just up, hip up, and hold a few seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just relax. Keep straight both the leg and relax. Deep inhale, long exhale. Anam, keep switch on your camera. Till everyone should be second rounds. Yes, Anam, focus your camera on your lower body. Till now, second round, everyone. Yes, good. Till it should be second round. Full prepare to your body. Bend your knee. Good. चलिए bend your knee. Full energy के साथ. Keep positive. चलिए 1, up. Good. 2, down. Down. 3, up. Down. Yes, Anna, more up, hip up. Down. 4, up. Yes, Aarti, good. Down. 5, up. Down. 6, up. Down. 7, up. Down. 8, up. Down. 9, up. Down. And 10, just hold a few seconds, everyone. Just hip up. Yes. Hold few seconds. 1. Good, Aarti. 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Down. Yes, Umaji. Good efforts. Yes, Anam. Good. Just relax. Deep inhale, long exhale. Now, last but not the least, one more round. चलिए. Bend your knee with the full energy. चलिए. Only 10 counts. Keep a smile on your face. चलिए, everyone. Last round. 1, hip up. Yes, Natasha, keep do it. Down. 2, up. Down. 3, up. Yes, down. 4, up. Full up, hip up, everyone. Down. 5, up. Down. 6, up. Down. 7, up. Down. 8, up. Down. 9, up. Down. Very good. 10, up. Hold a few seconds. Yes, Anam, up. Very good. Hold a few seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5. Just down. Very good, everyone. Keep it straight, both the leg, and just relax. Deep inhale, long exhale. Actually. Next is the Dvipad Chalanasana. So join both the leg and keep straight up in the 90. Chale, both leg keep straight in the 90. Both leg keep straight. Yes, Mahak. Join both the leg and just rotate both the leg clockwise. Make a big circle. One, maybe one, two, three. Knee straight. Yes, four, five, six, seven. Very good, everyone. Be loyal to yourself. Wow, Monali. Good, good. Eight. Yes, Aarti. Nine. Jyoti ji, nine, 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 nine. Last two rounds. Very good. Nine, 10. Very good. One more. Just relax. Deep inhale, long exhale. Now, one more time. Just join both the leg and keep straight in the 90. Just anti-clockwise rotate and 10 counts only. Chale. Keep straight. Join both leg. One. Very good, Khushbu. Two. Anti-clockwise, everyone. Okay. Two. Yes. Three. Sakshi. Four. Yes, and good efforts. Five. Six. Seven. Eight. Nine. 10. Just relax. Very good. Relax. Deep inhale, long exhale. चलिए next is the fist pose. Okay, so how can do it? Let's look at me. कैसे करना है आपको? Yes, everyone. Just look at me. Observe me. The fist pose. Lie down on your bed. Keep straight both the leg. First of all, lower body keep straight. Okay. Deep inhale, long exhale. And just both the palms hold below your hip. Right hand, right hip, and left hand below your left hand. And both the arms जितना हो पाए below your lower body, below your body. Body के नीचे होने चाहिए both the palms. Slowly chest up. Full chest up and head down. Should be your crown chakra touch on your mat for the neck support. Slightly support के लिए. And full chest up. And just hold full body weight on your elbow and arms. Okay? And just hold a few seconds. And after this, slowly relax. Firstly, relax your neck and unlock your hands and just relax. It's a fist pose. So जितना हो पाए expand your lungs. Okay? Now again, keep start. Both the hands just hold below your hips. Arms also below your body. Slowly, lower body keep straight. Both legs keep straight. Slightly chest up. Very good. Chest up and head down. Should be top of your head. Crown chakra. Very good. If you're suffering the any thyroid problem, lungs problem, respiratory, this have lots of benefits. Please, Umaji, hip down, chest up, chest up. Arms down, chest up. Very good. Chest go upper and come. Good. Aarti is also good. Priyamvada, you're not visible, but it's okay. Go slowly. Aarti, yes. Jyoti is also good position. Natasha ji ki wait. Sakshi also good. Khushbu good. Mehak good. Yes, Monali good it. Yes, Aman. Aman and Umaji just up, up, up. Very good. Just uplift and head down. Very good. Evan. Go slowly. Head relax and lower body keep relaxed. Very good. Just relax. Deep inhale, long exhale. Priyamvada ji, show me your upper body. थोड़ा सा और ऊपर. Good. चलिए, everyone should be the second round. Uma ji, yes, relax. Very good. चलिए, everyone, deep inhale, long exhale. Should be prepared for the second round. चलिए, both the hands below your hip. Good. Very good. Full focus on your practice. Slightly chest up. Yes. Very good, everyone. Crown chakra down. Head down, Aman. Anam, head down. Anam, head down. Yes. Chest up and head down. Good. Yes, Natasha, keep it. Everyone, just hold. Very good. Hold. Just relax. Deep inhale, long exhale. Slowly head down. Head down. Keep relax your body. Chill, everyone. Last but not the least, one more time. And Uma ji, Anam ji, look at me, observe me one more time, and everyone do perform. Chill, everyone. Aman and Uma ji, let's see. Just look at me. Lower body keep straight. Okay, both the hands below your head and arms also below your body. Okay, jitna ho paye. And just hold both the leg keep straight, slightly chest up, chest up, and slightly head down. Chest up and head down, lower body keep straight, and just hold this position. Full body weight should be your elbow and arms. Elbow को जितना टक करके रखोगे उतना बेडी का पेट आए. Just yes. Okay, and head down. It is an advanced pose. So slowly head down. Don't be look the left side and right side. Okay, chaliye. Do try one more time. Go Anam. Should we try? Yes, Umaji. Yes, good, good. Everyone, relax according to your comfort. Yes, Ayman, Anam, and Umaji. Just hold a few seconds. Everyone, baki relax. Khushbu, relax down. Yes, Aarti, Jyoti, everyone, just relax. Anam and Umaji, just hold a few seconds. Yes, Anam, good. Slowly up, chest, more up. Yes, Umaji, good efforts, good, good. Slightly up. Oh, nice. Slowly head down, and relax in the Savasana, everyone. Relax, lay down in the Savasana. Relax your both leg and both hands. Slightly close your eyes. Deep inhale, long exhale. Relax your full body. Inhale through the nostril and exhale from your mouth. Just observe this pattern. Full focus on your body. Just look at your body, scan your full body. Now turn your body left side and just sit on your mat with a comfortably. Very. Just roll back your shoulder. Sit in your mat. Deep inhale, long exhale. Sit in the half Padmasana. Yes, everyone should we try half Padmasana? Keep a half Padmasana. Just relax. Chale, both the hands in the Dhyana Mudra and close your eyes. Both the hands in the Dhyana Mudra. Just relax. Deep inhale, long exhale. Observe your breath. Inhale through the nostril. Exhale from your mouth. Hello, Drupadi. Welcome to the live session. Very good, everyone. Just close your eyes. Yeah. Hello. I will take your question in the end of the session. Observe your breath, everyone. And now do the Brahmari. Chale. The Brahmari is the practice. Hold the fingers. First finger, your eyebrow. Second, under the eye. Third, root of the nostril. And fourth finger, touch on your chin. Tightly close your ear from your thumb. Thumb को जितना press कर सकते हैं अंदर की ओर. And chant Om 3 times. Okay? Feel the Om sound inside your skull. Just deep in, everyone. Anam, you know, understand? Just look at me. Brahmari did the practice. Okay? The first finger should be eyebrow, second under the eye, third root of the nostril, fourth finger should be touch on chin. Okay? Second finger under the eye. And just tightly close your ears and slightly neck down and chant Om. 1, 2, and 3. After that, keep relaxed, everyone. Okay? Om chant Anam. Just like a humming bee, close your eyes. Chant humming bee. Very good. Relax, everyone. Keep relaxed. Keep relaxed. Deep inhale, long exhale. Chale. Both the hands in the Dhyan Mudra. Just close your eyes. Relax your body. Very good. Just relax your body. Deep inhale, long exhale. Now we chant 1 Om and 1 Shiva blessing mantras and 3 Om Shanti. Okay. Chale. Deep inhale, long exhale. Join both the palms and hold the front of your chest. If you chant this mantra, it was the good. Otherwise, listen carefully, everyone. Om Karpurgauram Karunavataram Sansar Saram Bhujagendraharam सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भावं भवानी सहितं नमामि। ॐ शान्ति 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 ॐ। Keep a smile your face. Feel gratitude. Be grateful. Love yourself. Appreciate yourself. Yes, just rub both the hands. Tightly rub both the hands when you feel warm and then the heat touch on your face, neck, shoulder, and full body. One more time, rub both the hands, touch on your face, open your eyes inside your hand. Just relax. Good. Chili, keep relax. Shake your leg. If you have any question, any doubt, तो yes आप पूछ सकते हैं.
Ma'am, I wanted to know if you have any other batch in the morning.
Yes,
Ma'am, at what time?
7 to 8.
Any other batch other than that post 9 a.m.?
No, it's
No.
my batch, but other trainer also have a 6, 7, 8, 9 other
I
batches.
really like this yoga, which I attend your yoga. I really like it. But what 8 to 9 is a little difficult for me because it's like kids sleeping time. So कोई और timing manageable है पूरे दिन में?
नहीं
7 to
मैम,
8 please.
आपको तो एक बार आप कस्टमर केयर में डाल सकते हैं, अगर उनके अकॉर्डिंग आता है तो टाइम मैनेज हो सकता है। अदरवाइज तो अभी 2 ही बैच हैं, एक सुबह 7 AM।
7. Again, that is very difficult because kids are going to school at that time.
ओके। हाँ, इस मैं फोकस कर रही हूँ कि आप लोगों का सबका कंसर्न था वेट लॉस, बेली फैट, तो थोड़ा सा हैवी रहेगा, इसमें योगा कम रहेगा, वो इस टाइप का प्रैक्टिस ज्यादा रहेगा। तो इट्स टोटली फोकस ऑन योर बॉडी वेट लॉस के लिए। ओके।
Yes,
क्योंकि
I'm doing it for
सब में
weight loss only
कंसर्न
and for the
था।
lower body basically.
हाँ, लोअर बॉडी एंड जस्ट लाइक ना थाई फैट, ये फैट, चेस्ट, सर किसी का, इट मीन्स कि बॉडी लूज फैट। यस, तो ऑल्सो शुड बी, अगर किसी ने गोल योगा गोल शेयर नहीं किए हैं तो आप शुड बी शेयर योर योगा गोल, सो दैट हम उनको भी इंक्लूड कर पाए सेशन के लिए। ठीक है।
मैम मैंने ट्राई किया था बट मुझे समझ नहीं आया कि मुझे कहाँ सेंड करना है। आपके नाम से तो कोई ऐसा लिंक आता नहीं ना, तो आपको सेंड करना है डायरेक्टली या कस्टमर केयर में?
यस, आएगा ना हॉलिस्टिक योगा करके, आई एम शेयरिंग द लिंक।
यस।
हाँ, उस पे आप पर्सनली सेंड कर दीजिएगा योगा गोल्स, सो दैट हम उसमें ऐड कर पाए आपके लिए। ओके।
वैसे मैंने 5 kg लूज किया है।
हाँ जी।
वैसे मैंने 5 kg लूज किया है।
ओ वाह, वेरी नाइस।
हाँ, मेरा 91 था बट नाउ इट्स 86 के करीब है। और मैं डाइटिंग भी करती हूँ ना, वो डाइट चार्ट के अकॉर्डिंग जस्ट आई एम
गुड।
फॉलोइंग।
डेफिनेटली अगर आप अच्छे से करते हैं तो रिजल्ट आपको मिलते हैं। सम पीपल्स आर डोंट स्विच ऑन योर कैमरा, कैमरा ऑफ कर रहे हैं, नहीं कर रहे, डजंट। सेशन ज्वाइन करने से वेट लॉस से कोई बेनिफिट नहीं मिलता है। अगर आपने ज्वाइन कर दिया, 3 महीने हो गए, 4 महीने, अगर आप नहीं कर रहे हो तो कोई रिजल्ट नहीं मिलेगा, है ना। और लिटरली 3 मंथ्स में लोगों ने 4-5 किलो वेट कम किया। आप मेरे इंस्टाग्राम प्रोफाइल पे देखेंगे तो लॉट्स ऑफ लेडीज जो कि 3 महीने, 4 महीने में आराम से 5-6 किलो वेट कम कर देते हैं विद द प्रॉपर डाइट के साथ। तो इट टोटली इज यू कि आप अच्छे से कर रहे हैं। देखो ज्योति जी ने शेयर किया, कितना अच्छा लगा। सभी लोगों को करना चाहिए, अपने अपने गोल्स, सभी के गोल्स अलग अलग हैं योगा के लिए। गुड। चलिए आप
आई
मुझे
Ma'am, I have a
पूछिएगा।
question. Ma'am, already I am completing my 8,000 steps a day. मेरा टारगेट रहता है 10,000, बट मेरा स्टेमिना नहीं रहता है क्योंकि मुझे 1 घंटा योगा देना होता है. So what do you think? I need to reduce 4 kgs. I'm 59 right now and I want 55. So is it okay या ये मैं ज्यादा कर रही हूँ या मैं ठीक कर रही हूँ? I don't understand because I need some consultation regarding this. कि मैं ओवर तो नहीं कर रही हूँ या
नहीं,
मैं
ज्यादा
कम तो नहीं
वॉक
कर रही
कितना
हूँ.
करते हैं आप?
मैम मेरा टारगेट रहता है 8,000 स्टेप्स या 5 किलोमीटर, कभी 6 किलोमीटर भी हो जाता है, कभी 10,000 भी हो जाता है, जैसे टाइम हो, बिकॉज आई एम अ वर्किंग वुमेन प्लस बच्चे, तो थोड़ा टाइम कंस्ट्रेन रहता है. टारगेट
अच्छा।
मेरा रहता है कि मैं 8,000 तो करूँ ही करूँ एक दिन में, 7 to 8,000 स्टेप्स.
ठीक है, आप मुझे अपना बॉडी वेट और हाइट के अकॉर्डिंग हम मेजर करते हैं, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग मैं आपको गाइड कर पाऊंगी। बट आई
उस
थिंक
हिसाब से
इन
तो इफ आई एम 5'1" एंड अगर देखा जाए 5'1" के हिसाब से माई वेट शुड बी 50-51, बट आई डोंट
हाँ,
वांट टू रिड्यूस दैट मच. I don't think I will be able to do that at this age. I'm 40 right now.
आई थिंक यू नीड टू द गेन द स्टेमिना और स्ट्रेंथ,
Yes,
राइट? तो ये
yes.
दोनों चीजें आएंगी जैसे हम अभी कर रहे हैं ना। देखो, जैसे आपके बॉडी को नीड होगी ना, तो डाइट पे पूरा फोकस करो, ईटिंग प्रोसेस
I
अपना
take a
अच्छा
lot of
रखो।
protein diet.
हाँ,
ChatGPT
शुड
की
बी
हेल्प
हेल्थ,
से
दिस इज द
करती हूँ मैं.
मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट
I take a
एवरीवन।
lot of protein diet and salads and smoothies, protein smoothies ज्यादा मेरा प्रोटीन पे रहता है. I
हाँ,
do follow a dietitian at times, on and off चलता है वो भी मेरा. But I think देखो लास्ट का 2-3 जो वेट है मेरा वो मेरा नहीं जा रहा है. So that is why I joined yoga कि maybe योगा से मैं कर सकूँ reduce.
हाँ,
Just
कभी कभी
3-4
हार्मोनल
kgs. I'm
इम्बैलेंसेस
not able to
रहते हैं।
reduce.
या
बहुत
सम
जल्दी
टाइम ना।
वापस आ जाता है कुछ भी
ओके ओके,
खाने से,
हो जाएगा।
स्टेबल ना होने से.
नहीं नहीं, हो जाए, कई बार होता है ना हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंस की वजह से, वो देखना पड़ेगा कि
राइट.
कहाँ पे एक्यूमुलेट हो रहा है। क्योंकि हर किसी का एक बॉडी पार्ट वेरी एक्टिव, कि जब हम मोटे होते हैं या वेट गेन करते हैं, किसी का शोल्डर, किसी की चेस्ट, किसी की थाइस, किसी की हिप, एक पार्ट, एवरीथिंग इज कि एक पार्ट बहुत एक्टिव रहता है बॉडी में। तो वो देखना पड़ेगा आपका। ठीक है, आप मुझे कीजिएगा, मैं आप पे एक ऑब्जर्व कर लूंगी, ठीक है? और वेरी गुड, ये कॉन्सियसनेस सबको होनी चाहिए एज अ फीमेल। हम सभी तभी सबको देख पाएंगे जब हम खुद के लिए कुछ करेंगे। तो बी अवेयर टू योर सेल्फ एवरीवन, ओके? एंड टेक अ प्रोटीन डाइट, इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट। इंडियन डाइट में प्रोटीन बहुत कम है, तो कंसर्व करें न्यूट्रिशंस को। एंड यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी आपके पास जायरेक्स पे है, न्यूट्रिशंस भी है, आप उनसे भी कंसर्व कर सकते हैं, बाहर जाने की
And
जरूरत नहीं।
also, I wanted to share something. If we are all women here, I am a recipe curator. So अगर किसी को recipes चाहिए प्रोटीन की, तो मेरे Instagram पेज पे बहुत सारी recipes हैं प्रोटीन and vegetarian diet की. Because
ओह,
I
वेरी
do that on
नाइस।
Instagram. Yes, so you guys can
या
check out
आप
my
कल अपना
Instagram
इंस्टाग्राम
also.
का लिंक शेयर कीजिएगा, आई एम ऑल्सो
हाँ
फॉलोइंग, है
जी.
ना? कि प्रोटीन
Yeah,
डाइट
you can
के
follow me. I'll follow
ऑल्टरनेटिव्स
you
नहीं
back.
मिलते हैं। आप कल
काफी
शेयर
मेरी
कीजिएगा,
रेसिपीज
ठीक
और
है?
काफी हेल्दी रेसिपीज मैं डालती हूँ उस पे.
गुड
So
गुड,
you
बहुत
guys
अच्छा है।
can connect.
वेरी नाइस, कल आप अपना इंस्टाग्राम पेज शेयर कीजिएगा चैट बॉक्स में ना।
Sure, ma'am. Thank you.
ओके, चलिए एवरीवन, और किसी को कोई शेयर करना है? आरती, यू अंडरस्टैंड? आपको हिंदी?
Yeah, I can understand.
वेरी नाइस,
Thank you. Thank
मोस्ट
you.
वेलकम। चलिए, किसी का और कोई कंसर्न?
Hi.
या ना?
My name is Ashmin. So I've just joined today as a sample. Anam is my daughter's name. I've not changed the setting.
ओके,
So, am I audible?
या
Okay. So I have a question. So there is so are you going to be the tutor for the rest of the classes, or is it going to be based on the schedule that I choose?
या शेड्यूल also schedule are available on your group, okay? So according to your comfortable time should be joining. I am
So are you going to be the tutor, or is it going to be a different tutor?
different tutor,
Different teacher? Are you going to be the teacher
different
for all the
teacher. I have
classes?
only 8 p.m. batch Indian time according to Indian time, and also 7 a.m. Indian time.
So that's your class as well.
Yeah.
Okay. Second question is, so if so there is this chanting that you do, which is Om, right? So can I do a different chanting, which brings peace to my mind?
Yeah, different type. We have a 7 chakra, so every
Mm-hmm.
chakra carry the different energies and different mantras. Om, it is a chakra with the third eye. तो ओम इज द, यस खुशबू, अगर आपको जाना है तो आप जा सकते हैं, ठीक है? ओम, जैसे ओम, ओम इज द mantras of the third eye chakra, same as other root chakra or solar plexus. Om, lam, vam, hum, ram. It's other different sounds. But you
Okay.
should be
So
meeting Om is the
is it because of the sound that you're creating? I mean, what is the effect of those mantra? That's what I want to know.
mantra, yes. Is have the imbalanced energies in our bodies. Okay? Just like agar anatomically our body is a bilateral symmetrical, right hand, left hand, everything is similar, right side, left side, okay? And agar some physiologically look at your body, so left side and right side are different, something different. Left side heart, right side livers, just like a something indifferentiated. But when you study in the yoga, our left side or right side totally different. Okay, it's basis of energy. And this midpoint of the left side and right side, this midpoint of it have a lots of energy station. It's have a 108 energy station, and the most important is the 10 energy station, and most important the 7 energy station. It is called the 7 chakra. Okay, so if you sometimes people are feeling stuck and something feeling stuck, not interest, lose of the interest, so something called ki your block your root chakra. And some people are the heart block, so something is feeling very low, no love, no compassion, loneliness, तो it means कि heart chakra कहीं ना कहीं block है. Okay, so we if you chant the mantras, तो block all the energies, unblock all the energy station. If you regularly chant this mantra, and every chakra carry the specific mantra, just like every log is key carry the specific key. That's why same as every chakra carry the every mantras.
Now, all this is today is just a sample. So, all this will be taught in the first class, right?
Mhm.
Okay.
Yes,
Hmm.
we will explain each and everything. Okay, the
Okay.
be most important, be consistent. Okay. And
Mm-hmm.
also should be share your yoga goals. What is the yoga goals? Weight loss, weight gain, and if you any hormonal disbalance or other problem, medical issue should be also share with me.
Mm. Okay. All right. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Chaliye, Hare Krishna. Leave.